Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk more about how to get high limit revolving business credit accounts without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So here's a look at the type of Visa and MasterCard credit that's available to your business when you build business credit. So you can see here it's an approval for $7,000. Here's another one for Chase Ink card for $8,000. Now these are all cash credit cards, or this is what we call the cash credit tier of building business credit. As you can see, these are Visa cards, these are MasterCard cards. These are American Express cards. This approval is for $22,000. Here's an Amex approval for $50,000. Here's another American Express approval for $50,000. One for $15,000 from Citi. So these are the kind of approvals that you can use business credit to obtain about 6 months in to the business credit building process. Now you can get this business credit sooner if you're willing to give a personal guarantee, or get this kind of credit within about 6 months without a personal guarantee. Learn more about building business credit directly on our website, creditsuite.com.